All right, today we have fair bits of things to cover. So today is worksheet 21. All right, most of them must have gone to lesson 42 before you do this attempt. Okay, use of calculator is allowed. So it is a mock exam paper part 2 from where we continue from last week. So this is something PSLE standard. All right, get set or not? Go ah. Okay, express this decimal as a percentage. Okay, for those who have been with me, you will know that this is called 1 whole, which will be 100%. Correct or not? Now, if you take a look at 0.065, it is so tiny. It is like even less than 1%. Okay, so it must be a decimal for a percentage. All right. So, and then after that, the lesson has already said, if you see the word express as a percentage, straight away, you just have to multiply by 100%. So 0.065 multiplied by 100%. Okay, so what you need to do is to shift the decimal 1, 2. Why 2? Because 100 has 2 zeros, so we just shift 2. All right, and then 6.5. It's so tiny. It's less than 10%. Not less than 1. Less than 1 whole, okay? So 6.5%. So far, okay? Next question. Okay, this is an algebra question. Natalie has a roll of ribbon. So this is the ribbon, and it rolls out into a long piece of string, which is at PCM long. How much is PCM long? You wouldn't know, but you know that there is a value for that. She cut it into 17 pieces. Where are the 17 pieces? Here to here. Okay, and he has a leftover of 18 centimeter. He wants you to find the piece of length for each. So in the first place, when you have a row, what you can do is you take away the whatever is left over. So for whatever left over, this is the one that he has been used to cut for 17 pieces. So this one itself, it will be P minus 18. Okay, now do not put centimeter in this manner. If you want to put the unit, you must open the bracket and then close the bracket, because the centimeter is referring to PCM and refer to 18 cm. Okay, all right, good for me, thank you. Then after that, for whatever you have, you are going to cut into 17 pieces. Okay, so how to find each piece? Okay, so each will be P minus 18, which is here, divided by 17. Okay.
That's actually wrong. USD wrote 18, it's 8.
It's 8. Oh, yeah, thank you. All right, so let me change this. This one was done earlier on. Okay, so this is 8. Okay, and this is 8. Yeah, actually this one can erase lah. So P minus 8. Put a bracket for that. Question number 3. In the figure, PQRS is a rhombus. Okay, a rhombus has 4 equal sides. Here, 4 equal sides. All right, and opposite angles are equal, so that's why these are opposite angles, which is 58. And then The other opposite angles, I'm going to put them in another color. Probably this one here and probably this one here. Okay, now this and this must be the same. All right, so in order to find out what is this, okay, let me shade this in red. So this is red also. I'm going to do referencing. Okay, so 180 minus your 58 equals to 122 degree for the red one. Okay, 122, that means to say, I need to have another angle there. Probably I will find this in dark blue. Okay, do you see something, a straight line here? Okay, I did a dark blue. So I have this as 78, so here. So when this is 78, I can find this, right? Without, not the red one, it's the blue one. So in order for you to find the blue one, you use your 180 to minus 78 equals to 162, is it? Let me use my calculator. 102, not 62. 180 minus 78. Okay. So with this is 102, the red one is 122. Then you can find FSR. That means the black color one that I'm going to color here. Okay, I'm going to color this in black. So this black one, it will be for the red one, which is 122 degree minus the blue one of 102 degree. And this one will get down to 20 degree. Okay. Wait, allow me to change this red one like that so that, you know that this red is the red angle. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the chat function. Okay. We have done 3 questions, right? So can you answer me? Who get 3 out of 3 so far? All correct, the 3 questions. That means all must be correct. Anyone? Okay, good. Serena, keep it up. Only one, the rest why? Because never do. Okay. For me, yes. Thank you.
My hand.
Careless. Sharia hasn't done algebra in school yet, is it? Okay, it's just a representative of a number. How about Miko? Miko, have you started decimal in school already?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Didn't get to finish. Never mind. Okay. Now, if you have not finished, I think you still can go into the system and key in again. Don't worry. Try to do it as soon as possible. Okay. Let's take a look at the next question. Yeah, this is another interesting one. Now look at Dash. What did he do is he had 130 number. This is the number of decorative blue and pink light bulb. And how is the arrangement like is every 2 blue light bulb, 2 blue, you see, we have 2 blue in between every 2 pink. So you must have a pink color here. You must have a pink color here. Okay. So if you have a pink color here, you will have 2 blue, pink color here with a 2 blue. So this will go on, right? So what is the smallest possible number for the number of blue light bulb in the whole 130? So if you were to look at this, what do you find is this will go on, so on and so forth for until 130. So what I did is I would want to change this into sets. For example, I have BB, P, what do you call that? PBB. I'm going to put PBB into one set here. Okay, I put a line across. I call this as one set of PBB. So this is another set of PBB, right? If I were to do this, I have various sets here, here, and come out to be 130. Total bulk. Until the end, you will have P, B, B, B also. So I would like to know how many set of PBB I would have. So first step is I must have 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 to get the one set first. Right. So how many trees will there be? Oops, who is that, Miko?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah.
thought you want to write something for us. Okay, so there are 3 of them and I have 130 divided by 3 to get the number of set. Now, of course, you cannot be divisible lah. That's one thing for sure. But you try to write them in 43 and 1/3 set. But then how to have 43 or 1/3 set, right? Never mind. We just have to do this. We just have to do 43 or full set first. And you have one single out, which is a P. Right? So we can ignore the P. So we focus on the PBB. So since we have 43 sets of this one, sorry, 43 sets of PBB, but the question wanted the smallest number for B enough. So how many 2Bs are there in each set? How many Bs are there? 2B, right? So 43 times 2, you will get down to 86 bulbs. And they are called blue. PBB. Ah. Oh, there, you see, this one got wrong interpretation. Many students do this. See, what they interpret is like that. He said, I got 2 blue light. That means they say, oh, this is blue, blue, 2 blue. In between every 2 pink. Oh, that means in between every 2 pink is like that. Then they say, oh, 2 pink is like that. 2 pink, 2 pink. Oh, then after that, if you interpret like that, then 2 blue. So you see what will happen here? Do you see that there are two blue bars in between the 2 pink? Not, you know, there are 4 pinks already, right? He said every 2 pink, every 2, but this one will be every 4 already. Correct or wrong? So every 2 means left and right, 1 each will do. Okay, Sharia, do you get this correct? Sharia, do you get this correct? Okay. Miko, Miko, do you manage to do this and got it right or not?
I got wrong.
Okay. You know where go wrong now? Okay. Kenzo, can you understand? So far what I'm going through, can you understand? Are you catching up? Enzo?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, let's check what happened to the rest. Because I don't get to see every face. Savina, you okay, huh? Can understand, right? Ian, so far so good. Can catch up? Is it okay? The speed, is it too fast? No, quite okay. Can. Okay. Tommy, why you so tired? Wait, Okay, question number 5. Okay, look at this. Question number 5 shows a square, shows a rectangle, and they give you area of square is 49, perimeter is 42, find